Hi, today I'm sharing how I made this traveler's journal with the Eileen journal die. I'm using SnapPap, it's the same as KraftTex. I have already glued together the back and the front side of the journal, and now I'm stamping my flowers. I'm using distress inks because they are water-based. As I will color in the flowers with PanPastels, I need to fix them later, and I will use an alcohol-based fixative, so I don't recommend to use alcohol-based ink. I'm speeding up the coloring process. I just use the PanPastels and I add some shadows and highlights here and there, and I don't mind if I go out of the lines. I am almost done, and I will fix the whole cover with a pastel fixative at the end. I will use this traveler's journal for my 2018 scrapbooking inserts. I recently started to scrapbook in the traveler's journals instead of making 12 by 12 layouts. This is the finished journal. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!